Hi, my name is Gala. I'm a Looker expert. And today I would like to continue the topic about Facebook ads data in Looker Studio. In previous video, I already connected my Facebook ads account via Supermetrics to Looker Studio, and today we will observe this Supermetrics Facebook ads connector. Let's start. First of all, we can go, we can edit data source and check what do we have here. We have name. I will change the name to Supermetrics Facebook ads, and here I would like to type account name. Here we have some fields, types, and default aggregation, and some descriptions. Here we have 754 fields. It's a lot. It's huge, and of course we can't absorb all of them. I just want to do some basic overview of fields that for sure you will use it. And of course we can add some custom field and parameters. Data freshness every 12 hours, and this data source, I think we cannot change it. For Google Sheets we can change this. I think here it's like every 12 hours. Data credentials, who is the owner of this data source. Okay. I will create a title. Facebook ads daily reports overview. I create a title. And we can create a simple table just to see which data do we have. Usually when we work with Facebook, what do we have here? We can have account ID, or account. Okay, we have a lot of fields about accounts. Let's check what could be interesting here. Account ID. I don't know, if you pull data from one account does make sense. Account amount spent. I prefer to use just amount spent field. It's interesting moment here. If you work with Google Ads, Google use the word cost. Facebook use amount spent. So it could be tricky if you try to find cost and you will not find it. In Facebook ads, they call it amount spent. Account balance, account currency. Account currency that I use, because sometimes I see accounts with different currencies and we need to convert it to US dollars or to euro, and even if you don't show it in the dashboard, it's nice to check what is account currency. Account dated link, account found in source, account name. So we have some account level data. Then on the next level, we will have campaign level data. Campaign will have even more fields about campaigns. Campaign UTM. If you set up it, you can pull this data, and it's really nice if you set up it. Then we have campaign ID, budget, buying type. So we have some fields about campaign settings. And you see it's a bit slow when we configure it. So this is, as I said, it could be not nice if you work with direct connector, that it could take time. So we have some campaign objective, actually, maybe campaign name, campaign objective, account. I don't want to pull my account data. Okay, I think something is going wrong. Okay, I updated the table. I don't know what happens. So campaign name. Let's change December to last year. As I said, it's test account. I don't have too much data there, but it is fine to demonstrate what we have. And yeah, I think this is the reason why data loads so slow, because I selected the whole year. Maybe we can select last quarter. I think it will be enough to see some data. I hope it will be faster. Okay, we have 2 campaigns, it's fine. We have campaign objective. Here we can see link clicks and outcome traffic. Yeah, it could be useful for some cases. Then we have like ad group level and group ad set. It's called ad set, not ad group. It's called ad set. Here we have some other parameters, and the next level it is ad level. For ad, we have name, we have ID, we have what is really nice in Supermetrics, we can pull ad body, ad creative, so we can pull an image, we could put text, and even we have like, what is the name? When you have several options of titles and ad body, you can even have these data in the dashboard. So it's super nice. We have ads preview. We have a lot of filters. Ads preview. It's super nice as well to see. Ads at bid info. La, 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 la. For example, I would like to put ad name, body. Title, do we have separate title? Add title and image. Add creative image. So we can see the full picture of your ad campaigns. We can split it a lot and resize fit to data. Okay. What's the goal of this video? We just observe which options of metrics and dimensions do we have. I don't show you. Oh, I have really huge ad body. Maybe it's not a good option, but yeah, just to see that we can pull all data from our campaign. So I did 2 posts and we can see it. It's nice. I can copy this table. I can copy this table and keep only ad name, for example, and check metrics do we have. So for the flow from account to ad set, ad name, title, body, it is a flow. We can have a lot of data. What's another interesting data that we can have? It is a platform data. So we can know publisher platform. So where we showed our ads, it was Facebook or Instagram. We can show place, platform position. It could be really nice for dashboards. And so it's another option of how to split your data. It's about platforms and publisher, and we can see like Instagram and Facebook, and we can see even exact place on the platform. Yeah, this is another split for the data, and I think other split that it's super important for Facebook ads. It is a users split, so we can do some review of our users. I don't create nice dashboard. We just observe fields that we have. One more time. So we have age, gender, and what is super nice for Facebook ads Supermetrics connector, that we have just two fields, age and gender. And we can select some metrics. Because Power My Analytics, they have like special fields to see impressions by age and gender, and it's a bit tricky to understand how does it work. But here we can see the reach, and Supermetrics updated they wrote some codes about Facebook APIs, and they allows us just to see simple data. So we have age, gender, and this is nice split for your data. And we could actually check devices, but mostly I think this is important. We can campaigns, like which creatives, which platforms works better, and who is our audience. I think these are three main splits that we have, that I use for Facebook to present Facebook ads data. And then we can play around with some impressions, with some metrics. Okay, let's do resize feed to data. And for example, here will be name. What is interesting in metric? First of all, as I mentioned before, it is a cost, because Facebook ad called it amount spent, and we can do it in different currency, but the main field, it is just amount spent. Amount spent is how much money did we spend for this account. So this is interesting moment. What else do we have? Another interesting moment about metrics, it is when you see dashboard in Facebook ads interface, you can see result. Here there is no result field. So when you open Facebook ads interface, you can see campaign result. Here we don't have campaign result. So we should know exactly which result do we need. So, and here it's a mess because, okay, let's check here. Because conversion, here we have a lot of conversion fields. And to understand which do you need, usually it's really nice to open Facebook ads account, open dashboards here, and check what is the result in your campaign. Or you can ask a client to send you a screenshot to show where you can see the result of your campaign. And there, in the result, you can see website conversions, and you get, okay, purchases or something on Facebook leads. So Facebook has a lot of conversion, and it's a lot of mess here. It's true. So when you have it, to know, ask your client, open your Facebook ads account and just check there what is the real result of your campaign. And the next option, the next complicated thing about Facebook Ads Connector, it is attribution window. Even I don't know how to explain it easy way. Okay, when we connect it with Facebook Ads, we use default default attribution window. Which problem could be? For example, we have two campaigns, yeah? Campaign. If two campaigns, they have the same attribution window. Click. No, okay, clicks it not nice. I don't have real conversions here, but okay, I try to explain it. So we have two campaigns with the same attribution window. In this case, we can see the summary row, and we can see some summary of conversions and summary of our conversions. Let's imagine that here it's not linked clicks, this is the conversions. If your campaigns have different attribution window, you cannot show the total number summary row. It will be an error, because it's impossible to merge data from campaigns with different attribution windows. I hope it's clear. If not, you can leave a comment. I will try to write it in text. But it's a really important thing. And for this case, we have some fields with different attributions. For example, unique conversion within 1 day of click, unique conversion within 1 day of view, 28 and 7 days of view, 7 days of click, 28 days of click, and 20 days of view. Please be careful with this thing, because you could have different data that you really see in a Facebook ads account. It could be confusing. So double check this attribution window, because it's important. It's super important for Facebook ads. I think this I wanted to say. And attribution window, and different types of conversions, because Facebook ads have different conversions. So it could be website conversions, purchases, it could be initial checkout, it could be donate, a lot. So if your client asks you, or you want to show just conversion, please confirm which conversion. Because it's going to be on Facebook ads conversion, on Facebook leads. It could be, I have no here because I didn't track it, and I have null here. But anyway, so be careful here. I think that is it what I wanted to tell you about Facebook. What I think it's super important to know about Facebook Ads Connector. So we have different splits, different breakdowns. And the Supermetrics connector is super flexible for it and easy to use. Believe me, if you try other connectors, you will have some troubles with age, gender for sure, and maybe for some platforms as well. So API is not so easy, and Supermetrics, they updated fields that we can use it easily. And be careful with the attribution window, and know which results are, which results your campaigns have. So confirm this to know what is conversion is for you. With other fields, I don't think that we will have any troubles, because they're more or less, it's obvious, like some clicks. Okay, they have all clicks, link clicks, outbounded clicks. So they have different fields, but mostly it is all clicks or link clicks. And I don't think that you will have the big troubles here. Okay, one more trouble that you will have is Facebook Ads Connector. Facebook Ads troubles. It is again about attribution window. And the point here is that some metrics you can see only with if you select data range 28 last days. Usually it's about reach. I have no idea why I could show reach for these campaigns for the last quarter. But some metrics, you will see an error here, and if you click to this error, you will see that this data, it's available only for 28 last days. Yeah, this is weird, but we have what we have. I think that is it. That I mentioned all problems, all trouble points that you could have when you start to use Facebook Ads Connector for the first time. Let me know if you like this video. I can do observe for other, like for Power My Analytics service, for example, because I worked with them, and they're quite different from Supermetrics. They have different combination of fields, and it could be tricky to work with them, to start to work with them, but you can use to it. Let me know if you want to see observe for other connectors, for example, not Facebook ads, maybe you're interested in Bing ads or something like that. Maybe you are interested in Google Sheets connectors. It could be nice to do some review to some overview of these connectors. Yeah, anyway, let me know if you liked this video. If you have some questions, I hope everything became more clear for you, and you will create your nice Facebook ads dashboard. Okay, see you soon.